Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you a Dollar General Shop With Me video. I hit 90,000 subscribers just a few weeks ago, so thank you guys so much. So I am going to be doing a 90,000 subscribers giveaway. At the end of this video, I will give more information about the giveaway just in case you would like to enter, and I'll also write details in the description box below for you. I'll play some music for you now. I hope you enjoy it. I forgot to mention that right now, if it has a purple dot, it is 50% off. And then also, I bought a woven rag that was $8 and it rang up only $6. So right now they're having a good sale. hope you have enjoyed this Shop With Me video. For my 90,000 subscribers giveaway, I am going to be giving away one $50 gift card. If you are the winner of the gift card, you can choose whether you want your gift card from Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, or Starbucks. To enter my giveaway, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment. In the comment, write the word giveaway 2022. On July 15th, 2022, we will draw one name for the gift card. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, or affiliated with YouTube or anyone. I just wanted to do a little something to say thank you. You must be 18 years or older to enter and a U.S. resident. I will notify the winner below your comment on this video, and I will only ask for your mailing address. I'll give you my email address and you can email me, and I will just ask for your mailing address only. You will have 1 week to email me with your address. So on July 15th, 2022, we will pick one winner for the $50 gift card. Thank you guys so much for all of your sweet comments. Thank you for sharing my tutorials and my Shop With Me videos. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. So thank you guys so much for 90,000 subscribers.